SITE stands for Student Innovation for Global Health Technology. It is an interdisciplinary undergraduate education platform at the Hong Kong University of Science and Technology, launched in 2014.
Over the years, SITE has become a platform that combines coursework, co-curricular activities, study trips, internships, and an incubator to empower our students to deliver solutions with tangible impact for the communities around the world.
SITE teaching team has been adopting the framework of design thinking and experiential learning to generate empathy and to systemically guide students through an exciting yet demanding journey of innovation.
For most students, they start at SITE Camp, where they gather weekly for an entire semester to learn, ideate, and prototype in InnoLab. This is where they learn about global health issues and develop empathy, brainstorm ideas, and convert those into conversational prototypes.
I think SITE is about learning about different health issues around the world, because we got to know a lot about different health issues in different parts of the world. And we also got to know the resources available for us to come up with some solutions to solve these health issues. And we got to design our own solution and really contact with the stakeholders and see if these solutions are helpful to solve their issues.
We understand that students' drive is built on 3 cornerstones: autonomy, mastery, and purpose. And SITE Camp imbues students with a strong sense of purpose. Students then move on to the credit-bearing project course, where they turn ideas into functional prototypes.
To grow students' capability and to expand the solution space, we leverage not only on the diverse training of our teaching team, but we also connect students with SITE advisors, faculty, staff, and alumni with a broad spectrum of expertise, from engineering to business to social science.
The teaching team works with the student teams to set up mutually agreeable objectives and measurable milestones, align learners' expectations with challenging yet achievable project outcomes.
The test questions are formulated based on these precise milestones proposed. Instead of answering questions like in a conventional exam paper, students need to demonstrate the project progress with working prototypes. Students receive feedback not only from teaching team and advisors, but also from project partners, the ultimate users of the creations.
All this feedback also coaxes students to keep on improving their creations in preparation for implementation. This iterative process is also key in design thinking.
So my greatest takeaway from SITE is actually the design thinking skills and also long-term friendship. And with SITE, it actually taught me how to create and innovate, which is really helpful with my research journey. And it also helped me to become more observant and also become more empathy to build better connection with people.
With the purpose of impact creation as learners' motivation, one of the most exciting parts of the SITE journey is the implementation trip, which usually takes place upon the completion of the SITE project course. Here, students have an opportunity to field test the innovations that they have been working on for almost a year and interact face-to-face with the users to make first-hand observations.
To enable students to go even further with their projects, we have designed multiple ways for students to go deeper with SITE, including a SITE Scholar program, which is an internship program to maximize the impact of the projects. The SITE Leaders Program promotes SITE projects locally and globally. And finally, the SITE Incubation Program empowers students to pursue their projects at startups.
I think the teaching team is just really approachable, and they really made SITE a very comfortable environment to be in. For me, what makes the teaching team so special is how they create this openness within SITE. So there's a lot of constructive criticism, and we always bounce ideas off each other. And the teaching team being there to facilitate all these discussions is what makes there so many organic exchanges at SITE.
We are therefore creating a learning community which embraces the opportunities for continuous growth. With over 20 projects to date, SITE students have touched many lives, both locally and globally. Simple technology, big difference is SITE's motto, and we are proud to have brought together students from all walks of background and nurtured them to become agents of change in the global village.